Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and the best way to start a new week like this is to have a good trading plan. Okay, and I have said this times without number in most of my videos that the best way to go about your trading activities is to learn the trading, the trend trading strategy. Okay, with the trend trading strategy, you will be able to earn a lot. Okay, within a single trend. Okay, I remember 2 days ago, I actually analyzed GainX 1200, and I told you that this has actually got into this support region, okay? And it has not been able to break out below it. That if it goes above this trend line, then it's going to go for a long buy, okay, because it is switching a trend at that point, okay. And I also gave us an entry point and a stop loss, and if you had followed this, you would notice that this has been going up. The following day, I also analyzed better because it has given us some good profit at that particular point. And I said, okay, this is actually moving within this channel. Okay, so you should follow up within this and milk the market right from there. Okay, and I will show you the outcome of what we have today. But before I do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you have the content, if you love the content that we are dishing out right here, okay, I will advise you to follow me right now for more video training like this so that you can upgrade your trading skill and of course milk the market on daily basis. Okay, and of course if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's go back to what we have right here. Okay, so like I said, we started trading this particular asset, GainX 1200, 2 days ago, and it's been on uptrend right from then. Okay, when we did the analysis, you can see this is the setup we had. If you are wondering why my setup is so colorful, I'm using a custom-made indicator that gives me the direction of what is happening in the market. Okay, when it is red like this, it means that the market is on downtrend. When it is blue, it is yellow like this, it means that the market is on uptrend. And of course, guys, when this arrow shows red, it is a sell. When it shows blue, it is a buy. But follow the signal that supports the trend. That is the secret. Okay, so quickly, let's continue. um Remember, this is GainX 1200 and I'm on 15-minute time frame. Like I said, this actually got to the support zone and it started an uptrend, and I told you this has been moving within this channel, so I drew out the channel for us for proper guide in case there is a breakout either below or above the channel, and this is what we got at the end of the day. Okay, this happened, it actually got to this region. Okay, and of course, if you should notice, it still continued like that till the very end of the trend. Okay, if you had continue with that, okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to stretch it out to follow up with what is happening right from there. You can see that is the beautiful part of it. You can imagine you trading right from here, right from this region to this very end. This is huge, guys. Let's calculate the profits that we would have made, okay, after setting an entry point and a stop loss for us. Okay, so this is 222 candles, and all these are 15-minute candles. You can imagine, okay, all these are 15-minute candles, 222 candles, and that is 82,334 points. That's a lot of profit, guys. That's a lot of profit. Congratulations to you guys that actually took advantage of this opportunity. Okay, so that is it. That is why you need to keep on watching my videos for you to learn new strategy and also to know what is going to be happening in the market. And you should also join the Telegram channel. Okay, so congratulations to you all. So right now, if you should notice, this has been playing around there for a while. That's because it has gotten to a resistance zone. We can say it right here. It has gotten to a resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there, so it's planning to actually go into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is planning to go into a downtrend. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to make sure you wait for the right entry points. Okay, so it has given us a downtrend signal, but let's wait for it to break out below this region. Once this breaks out, then we should expect more selling opportunity right from there. There will be pullback in between, but it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, the only way this will not happen is when it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Now let's check out GainX 999. Okay, GainX 999 is also another beautiful asset that also gave us a lot of profit. Okay, it trades the normal trend, which is the normal sell trend. Okay, not the spiky one. It got to this resistance zone at the top and also got there again. Okay, so this is giving us double confirmation that it's going to sell. Okay, so right now it has been selling, give us a downtrend signal and it's been selling. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it out a bit just for us to see it better. Okay, so it has gotten to this particular support zone just as I highlighted. Okay, so immediately it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from here, it should get to this region. Okay, so but let's wait for this breakout first, because here is a good support region that was obeyed earlier. Okay, so we should also watch out for that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Paynex 1200. Okay, this is Paynex 1200. This is another asset also on 50-minute time frame that has given us a good long trading strategy. I mean, giving us a good long trading opportunity. Okay, following the trend trading strategy. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend right from the support region, and you can see it has been buying since then, broke out from this particular resistance zone, and of course it has gotten to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, and if it's unable to break out above it, then we are most likely to have more selling opportunities around there, which means this is going to trade more spikes in Paynex. Okay, than just buying it. Okay, so that is if it does not break out above this resistance. However, I still expect it to go back up in order to sweep out people who have entered earlier. Okay, so you just need to be very careful, and of course if it does not break out above this resistance zone, then it should sell fully at that particular point. Okay, so that's very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 999. Paynex 999 is also doing very well, just the way we have seen. Okay, this also started an uptrend right from here, and of course bottle it got to this region, had a pullback around here, but went back up with full force to break out from this resistance zone and buy more. Okay, just the way we are seeing it right now. So this is still buying at the moment. However, we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, then we are most likely to have more buying opportunity right from there. But for now, let's see if it will get to this region first. Okay, so this is very, very important. It is still very much on buying um trend, and of course that's really cool about it. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, FX volume 80. Okay, we're trying to check all these out just for us to be well guided whenever we are trading today. Okay, so this actually started an option right from this major support zone, and you can see it bought till it got to this particular spot. Okay, has not been able to break out from there. So at this point, had a very good selling opportunity right from there, but stops at this point and went back up. And of course, it is targeting this. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then we should get into this region. But if it does not, then we are most likely to see selling at that particular point, and this will sell for long. Okay, first we expect it to get to this region once it starts selling. Okay, and of course the next thing is for us to be targeting this particular spot. Okay, so keep your fingers crossed and keep your eye on this and wait for the right entry point before you jump into it. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this video, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.